Hello everyone. In this video, I will introduce to you a software that automatically likes, comments, and interacts with TikTok videos to easily trend. Now I will take an example of any video.
Cùng nhau xếp hạng mấy cái địa điểm hẹn hò.
Okay, let's try this video. First, I will copy this video link. Select the seating function section in the software. Select the video seating feature and paste the video link here. Then, we need to enter the content we want to comment here. Here I have used ChatGPT to pre-create content. Finally, just press the start button and everything will be done completely automatically, saving a lot of time and effort. Watch until the end to see the results. You can see that these are the contents that I used the automatic comment feature for. Thank you for taking the time to watch. See you in the next videos. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel.